Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will be doing question number 9, exercise 10b. This is the figure which is given in the question. I will be reading out the statement for you. It is a bit long statement, so stay with us. Two spotlights P and Q are mounted on a vertical pole AB. This is a vertical pole AB. So on the pole, two spotlights are mounted, P and Q. These are the lights. Light beams from P and Q shine to 2 points on the ground. Like this, the light is going down. H and K. H and K. These are the 2 points where the light shines on H and K. H and K. Respectively. Given that PQ is equal to 12.7, PQ, this is 12.7 meters. KB is equal to 17.2 meters. KB. PH is equal to 39 meter. PH is 39 meters. And QK is 21 meter. Find. The first part is find BQ, the height above the ground at which the spotlight Q is mounted. BQ. So find BQ, the height above the ground at which the spotlight Q is mounted. Q is mounted here, so its distance from the base, from the ground. So we need to find out BQ. This is the first part. So in order to find out the length of BQ, the theme for first part will be that this is vertical from the ground, so this is 90 degree. We have this side with us 17.2 meters. We have this side 21 meters. So we need to find out this side. So we will be applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle. We can say this is triangle 1 to find out the first part of the question. So we know that this is hypotenuse because it is opposite to right angle. So we will be applying Pythagoras theorem that QK square is equal to QB square plus KB square. We'll put the values. QK is 21 is equal to QB. This is to be found out. KB 17.2 square. So it is being added here. So we'll take it to the other side of the equation. It will be subtracted. So it will be like this: 21 square minus 17.2 square is equal to QB square. So we'll be finding out the values using the calculator. 21 square is equal to 441 minus 17.2 square, it is 295.84. It is equal to QB, or we can say BQ, because it is BQ here, so we will be writing here BQ, not QB. We need to find out BQ square, BQ. So it is BQ. So now we'll subtract 441 minus 295.84. It becomes 145.16. Is equal to BQ square. So we'll take under root of both the sides to be cancelled with this. So BQ is equal to under root 145.16. So we get the answer 12.048. meters. So BQ, which was unknown, now we have this value 12.05 meters. The second part of the question is second part says HK, we need to find HK. The distance between the projections of the light beams. HK. HK, this one. We need to find out HK. So now in order to find HK, we need to develop the theme first, how to proceed to find the solution HK. So now what we'll be doing is that we'll be using this triangle. I am differentiating by these bigger lines, curved lines. So we'll be using ABH, triangle ABH, where this angle is 90 degree. So what we'll be doing is, we have this PB, which is equal to 12.7 plus 12.05. So this is 24.75 meters. So we have this BP 24.75, we have this HP 39. So we'll be finding out this HB by applying Pythagoras theorem. So once we get HB, we already have this value with us, so we'll be subtracting this BK from HB and we'll get HK. So now we'll follow this theme and we'll try to find the solution HK. So for this triangle PBH, we need to apply Pythagoras theorem. So this is 90 degree, so this will be hypotenuse for this triangle. So we'll be applying HP, the Pythagoras theorem, HP square is equal to HB square plus BP square. So now we'll put the values. HP, HP 39 square is equal to HB. HB is unknown, plus BP. BP is this one, 24.75. So we'll take it to other side of the equation, so it will be subtracted because it is being added here. It becomes 39 square minus 24.75 square is equal to HB square. We'll put the values. 1521 minus 24.75 square, 612.56 is equal to HB square. So we take the difference, 1521 minus 612.56 becomes 908.44. It is HB square. So we'll take under root of both the sides. So we'll get HB. It is under root 908.44. It becomes 30.14 meters. This is HB. So now in order to find HK, what we'll do is that from this HB we need to find out HK. So from this HB, bigger one, we will subtract this one, kb. So we will get the answer. So hb is 30.14 minus kb is 17.2. So we will find the difference. 30.14 minus 17.2. It becomes 12.94 meters hk. So this is our required value which we were looking for. So this is the solution. hk is equal to 12.94 meters.